to look at how to use fx equation in Pages on an Apple Mac. To begin with, we need to get both our Pages application and fx equation open on our dock at the bottom. The second job is we need to set fx equation up so that it's producing the right output for Pages. You only ever have to do this once. And what I need to do is change the target to LaTeX or LaTeX, depending on where you first heard the term. Once I've done that, I can start creating equations. So, for example, I can do something like the square root of x squared over 4. Once I've completed my equation, I click on the green check mark and Pages will now open up. To insert an equation, I need to go to the Insert menu, down to Equation, and I can type or paste LaTeX into this box. Now, fx equation has already placed some LaTeX onto the clipboard, so I can paste it. And there's the LaTeX equation. It does show me a preview, and if I push Insert, that now goes into my document. Using fx equation to create Pages equations is a one-way process. So fx equation creates a LaTeX that you use to create the equation. If I wish to edit that equation, I either have to double click on it and change the LaTeX by myself, so change the X to Y, but that does mean that you need to understand LaTeX. The other alternative is just to delete the equation and regenerate it on fx equation. So that's how you use fx equation in Pages on an Apple Mac.